Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss about the users and groups. So first of all, if we want to know about the honors of the group, honors of the user, we will write ls null. In this third and fourth row, this is the name of the user and this is the name of the honor of the group. And these are the names of files, time, state on which they are stored, and their size. Now, if we want to know how many users are available in the system, or how many users are using the groups, we will write l cat etc and passwd password and press and this. So this is the name of the user, this is the name of the user before these columns. Here all are the name of the users which contain these directories, these files, subdirectories, or different like passwords, UID, GID, and shells. Now, if I write here LSL and \etc shadow. So this will give us another type here: permissions, user, honor, size, date, time, and the directories. So in this case, the user is root, and this is accessible by only root. Now, if we want to know the ID, so we'll write ID here. We'll see UID. UID means numeric user ID. GID means group user ID. Then these are the groups, admin, sudo, and different information relevant to ID. Now, if we want to see the place at which the details of a group are saved, so we'll write cat etc and group. So this is the place at which the details regarding the groups are stored. Each user has one primary group, like this user has this user has this primary group, or all like this. Okay, now if we want to add a new user, we will write sudo user add and the name of the user. Let's suppose we will write here Jack. So the user Jack is created. Now if we want to modify the user, we will write here sudo. First we will create a password for the user. We will write sudo password and the name of the user, which is Jack. So now entering the password. So the password is set for the user Jack. Now if we want to modify it, we will write here sudo user mode L and the name of the user, which is Jack. So we can also delete the username which we have created. Now if we want to delete this user jack, we will write sudo user del and the name of the user. Now the user is deleted. Now if we want to add a group, we will write sudo group add g and now the name of the group. I'm naming it as group A. So the group is created. Now if we want to create a new group to a user, a specific user, so then we will write the command sudo user mode a g and the name of the group, which is group A, and then the name of the user. It will not run because I have already deleted the user jack, but it will run. You will try this. If we want to know the version of the Ubuntu, we will write here lsb release -a. So this will tell us about the Ubuntu version. Now if we want to know about the kernel version, we will write here uname and r. This will tell us about the kernel version. And if we know about all the information regarding the kernel, we will write here uname a. This will tell us all about the kernel information. If we want to know about the IP address, we will use ifconfig. But we have to install it before. Try it by using this command. You can install ifconfiguration command, then you will run and you will see that it will be executed and IP address will be displayed to you. And if we write here iwconfig, it will display the wireless information information about the wireless if connected. So you will try this command and install this if configuration and then check for your IP address.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.